Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Zone Blitz tutorial. In the beginning let's go to Skill Trainer and go to Pass Defense. Go to Zone Blitz. A blitz is strategy where the defensive back will rush into backfield to sack the quarterback or disrupt the play. In Zone Blitz, the defensive backs that aren't rushing the quarterback divide the field into different zones they will cover. Blitzes are effective on rollout or bootleg plays because the quarterback is usually unprotected and can be pressured into making a bad play. Blitz the quarterback and prevent a first down. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.